Today we'll be doing an instructional video on how to replace a water heater element. My name is Anthony Irvin with Yes Communities. My property is Valley Brook, located out in Indianapolis, Indiana. Some of the PPE that I'll be wearing today will be gloves for cut resistant, as well as some safety goggles for any type of splash for the eyes. We'll be checking for the power, be the first thing that we're going to check for. We've already shut our breaker off so that we shouldn't have any issues here. We're going to go ahead and check and make sure that our power is off here inside the tank as well. I've already removed my wires from my heating element, so they are already ready to be tested. I'm also going to shut my water coming off going into the tank as well. We're going to set the multimeter tester to the lowest setting in ohms. And we're actually going to set it to the beep signal. So if you hear that sound, that means it's good. And in here, there is no beep. So what we're going to want to do, now that we've identified that the top element is bad, we're going to go ahead and start draining the tank. What we would do is hook up the water hose supply line to the bottom. And twist this one to the side. Okay, now that we got our tank drained, what we're gonna do now is go ahead and shut the water off here, as well as disconnect the hose. Once we have removed the hose, my wires have already been removed from the tank at the top and the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and get my 1.5" socket with the breaker bar and get this thing broken loose. I recommend rechanging both of them while you're at it. As you can see, that one is a little out of date now. So we're going to go ahead and pop a new one in. You're going to want to make sure that that rubber washer is located all the way to the back. 4,500 watt element is going in. Now that we got our new element in at the top, we can go ahead and put our wires back to it. Once our wires have been installed, at that point we will go ahead and fill our water heater up with water. Once the water heater has been filled, we will hit our circuit breaker, and in about 45 minutes to an hour after that, we should have hot water.